Hey guys, Coach 𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to help people solve one of the #1 problems that people have in their world, and that is how to make money so that you can do what you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it, right? So I'm going to break down exactly how you can do that and help you solve one of those top money problems. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give an unbiased review of Infinity Processing System. Okay, you've heard me talk about Infinity Processing System and how it can actually help people make money online and learn how to solve it through the skill sets and things like that. So I'm going to give my unbiased review of that. So let's get into it. All right, I promised that we would get into the pros and cons of the Infinity Processing System and how this could help you solve one of the major problems that people have, which is how to make the kind of money that they need to make in order to you know, have relief, right? To be able to do what you want to do, grow, save, invest, get out of debt, whatever you need to use money for. How do you make more of it so that you can do what you want to do? So with the Infinity Processing System, it's a work from home system, but also an affiliate marketing training platform which teaches you the skill sets in order to make money online. And it allows you to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions with no monthly fees. Okay, no overhead, and you're able to build an online business. Okay, now let's talk about some of the cons. The majority of the cons that I know of and that I feel like most people would have are really, they're not really cons. I can't find any cons with the Infinity Processing System, okay, at all. But most people's cons will be in their own mind. It'll be their own internal worries, right? So instead of cons, we're going to call these worries, right? Things that people are fighting in their mind, questions that people are asking in your mind, okay? And let's address some of those, okay? So a lot of these are going to be, you know, what if questions. What if this works? What if it doesn't work, right? How does this business work, right? How does, let me type this out. How does this business work? Okay, that's another question that people have. Am I going to be lost? Typing these out as I go. Am I we're gonna shorten this to gonna be lost, right? Will I get support? Okay, I'm going to answer all of these questions. Will I get support? Okay, another one is this actually good information? Yeah, it is. Okay, another one is the startup cost worth it, right? Is the startup cost worth it? Okay, worth it. Okay, another question is, will I really make money with this? Will I really make money with this? Okay, is this like everything else? Right? These are all questions that run through people's mind when they're trying to decide, is this like in everything else? Okay, is this like everything else? Is it hard to follow? And I'm going to make sure I answer all these questions. Do I have to pay for advertising? Okay, or do paid ads to make money with this, or to learn how to make money with this, right? These are the questions that people have before they join any opportunity. There you have it. We're going to address all of these, okay? So, like I said, I don't see any cons, but I'm going to make sure I address these top worries, questions, what ifs that people have before they join an opportunity. But let's get into the pros. What are the pros? And I'm just looking over here at my things that I jotted down that I see as pros, so I can make sure that I don't skip anything and that I address what needs to be addressed so that you can make an educated decision about if Infinity Processing System is for you, and so you can start making money with this. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros. Let me see if I can type here. Okay, there we go. So here are some of the pros. These are pros, these are truths, these are things that I know to be true as someone who has made money online, and I've seen things that work and things that don't work, and these are things that I know to be true. First thing is that Infinity Processing System has an amazing community. Okay, so hold on one second. I don't know why my camera is this way instead of the other way, so I'm gonna move it. So Infinity Processing System has an amazing community. Okay, so I was talking about Infinity Processing System having an amazing community support system and training. And all of that is really centered around the biggest problem that people have with making money online once they get into affiliate marketing, which is, you know, many systems don't tackle teaching people the how of how to make money online. They're not teaching people the skill set. I mean, they're telling them they can make money online. They're not teaching people the skill sets. And that is what sets Infinity Processing System apart. The entire product is teaching you how to be a online boss. It tells you right here, become your own boss. They're teaching you the skill sets of how to market on different platforms, right? Even as an absolute beginner, it's made with beginners in mind, right? And it's solving that problem. Another thing is the commission levels it solves a major problem because you're not getting chump change commissions, and it's allowing you to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. For most people, imagine getting just a handful of $300 commissions. That will change a lot of people's economy. So again, the product itself, the training, the community. Let me show you give you insight, sneak peek into the coaching group. So they're doing live coaching sessions all the time, teaching people how to, from a multiple six-figure earner, teaching how, you know, what she does step by step, how to make it work for yourself, things like that. So it's not like you just get this training by itself. The community piece right here, where there's the live coaching sessions for members, that is invaluable. Okay, that is invaluable. And then you have people getting results and posting their results as a result of doing what these strategies are, getting $150 commissions, getting $300 commissions. And that's really what it's about. Everyone is following the strategies. That's it. Like, it's not like people are coming in here and getting something for nothing. They're following these simple, consistent strategies, and they're winning with it. All right. The other thing is, so I guess one pro would be, oh, did it just close my board? Hold on a second. Okay, outside of the amazing community and support, another pro is definitely the cost. It's super affordable, you know, for about for $300 or less. Most people will come in at $300 level because you get the most training, right? But the cost is up to you. You are able to position yourself where you'd like to, and you're able to earn those great commissions, right? There's no gotchas, there's no upsells or anything like that. So that's the best thing. And then there's no monthly fees. Okay, so that's pretty cool as well. All right, and then everything you make over and over and over again is profit. All right, the other thing that I like is what the Infinity Processing System teaches you. Okay, from the jump, one of the things it's going to teach you is how to create an automated sales funnel. A lot of people say, well, what's the woo-ha and that? Like, why is that going to help me make money online? What it's going to, a lot of affiliate programs preach to beginners, and it's cool, you can do that, to use a done for you funnel. Those are cool, but here's the thing about done for you funnels. If you never learn how to create your own automated sales funnel, then what's going to happen is you're never going to brand yourself. You're never going to be able to collect and own your own leads, and you're never really going to make top dollar. Like, that's just reality. So I like that as a system, that it teaches you how to create an automated sales funnel from jump. Like, you get your website, you can start marketing with that. But when you're ready, it shows you how to set up your automated sales funnel. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's a foundational thing that is missing in a lot of affiliate marketing training, is teaching people that essential affiliate marketing skill set. The other thing is that Infinity Processing System is going to help you with learning how to make money online, because it's going to teach you how to dominate these social media platforms where you can make money without having to do paid ads. It's going to teach you how to dominate on Facebook, dominate on Craigslist, dominate on Instagram, dominate on YouTube, dominate on TikTok. And no, you don't have to be on all these platforms. Pick two, right? Mine is YouTube and Facebook, right? I'm not really on Facebook nowadays, but YouTube is my bae, right? I've been eating off of YouTube for years because YouTube is search engine traffic. That is supreme traffic, right? Buyers traffic, right? So yeah, so it's gonna teach you how to dominate these areas, right? They're gonna give you the actual strategies, whichever platform you want to be on, it's going to teach you how to dominate in that space. Okay. The other thing is that another pro is that it's worldwide. The system is worldwide. You get 100% commissions. Okay. So let's look at that. You are able to make commissions of $300, $50, $150, and $300. Now, those who want to have the highest earning potential, again, they come in at pro because they're able to earn at every commission level and not miss any commissions. Okay. So the income potential is the most at the highest level. You also get the most amount of training. Okay. The other thing I like about Infinity Processing System is it has multiple, and this is going to help you with making money online. This is a pro, is that there's multiple ways for you to get your money. Okay. So which means there's multiple payment options. So you can get paid via Cash App. You can set it up to get paid via Zelle. You can set it up to get paid via Stripe. And then there's also PayPal, which I don't use PayPal, but some people do. And you can set that up as a payment option as well. So that's pretty cool to be able to be in control as a business owner of how you want to receive your money. Okay. Now you can also work this system part-time or full-time. 30 minutes to an hour a day is more than enough time for you to go through the system and take action. Let me show you some of the results that our members are getting with applying the strategies that are Infinity Processing System. So here we have one member said, wow, I started to get the hang of it. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. I got a total of $1,500 my first week just doing it part-time. Woohoo, right? Shout out to LV, right? So this is what I'm saying. Like, you can do this part-time, you can do this full-time. There's other members getting results, right? Another person, this is the automation that she's teaching, right? So, you know, got a new member while I was sleeping. I know I decided to sign up the moment I viewed the program, so I understand how others do it too. It's built for us to win. She got a 300 commission when she was asleep. Why and how did she do that? Because the actual training is not fluff. It's teaching you how to not only start an online business, how to set up an online business that allows you to earn $300 commissions, right? Over and over and over again, or $150 commissions over and over again, right? Not chump change, right? But on top of that, it's showing you how to set up an automated sales funnel and how to use one of the top sources, which is YouTube, if that's one of the platforms you pick. And then while you're asleep, people could be watching your videos, watching your presentations, things like that, going into your funnel and buying because you set up a system where people can watch and buy even if you're away from your computer. And that's the power of having an online business. That's the power of having systems in place that while you're working, while you're, living your life, while you're on vacation, while you're with your kids, you have something always putting you in position to be able to earn income. Okay, so that's another bonus. What I also like about this, today I did an orientation with one of my members that I was recording for my other IPS members, and what I really liked, and she commented on this as well, when you go through these trainings, you're not going to be overwhelmed. I feel like a lot of training in the affiliate marketing space is not beginner friendly. Is more intermediate, like you have to have, but an absolute beginner can come out of this into the system straight out the box, and it's 1, 2, 3 step-by-step training. Okay, so that's pretty cool. If you want something bite-sized where you can get in, take action, and with these strategies, then this is definitely the platform for you. If you can copy and paste, you can use the Facebook marketing strategies as well. Or I'm sorry, let me scroll up a little bit. Then you can use the pre-written ads. If you can, do a few things on social media with consistency, you know how to post, you know how to check your inbox, you can definitely rock it out with some of these social media platforms, right? So that's pretty much that. All right, so here's the thing. Infinity Processing System can help you with the #1 problem, which is making money online, right? Learning how to make money online to solve that major problem for yourself. If you are someone who believes in yourself, right? You have to believe in your potential. This is why one of the things that she has in here is winning mindset, because yeah, you got to do the things to make the money. She shows you the strategies to make the money. But if you don't believe in yourself and you're not coachable and you can't follow simple directions and she gives you all the directions, right, then you're not that person who's going to make money. But if you're that person who believes in yourself, you're coachable, you can follow directions just like all our other members have been doing that are getting results, right? If that's you, then this is for you. Okay, then this is for you. Okay, and you're ready to learn the skill sets to actually do that, and you're coachable and teachable, then this is for you. Okay, so here's how you're going to get started. So beneath this video, there will be a link. Go ahead and enter your best email so that information can get sent to you about Infinity Processing System. You'll get all the details, how it works. Also, my contact information is below. Feel free to reach out and let me know any questions that you have. And if you're ready to get started, go ahead and get started today. Like I said, most people start at Pro or Elite, which is the level below Pro. And go ahead and get plugged in, and then we'll get you set up for success. That's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.